Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited for May. This is the box of the month and let's go through it quickly. This is green tea that Jamie sent me and some enamel dots. So yay, thank you Jamie. So we have we have Woodland Summer. We have such cute ephemera there. We have A2 card fronts here and Woodland Summer Paper Pad, Summer Meadow, Summer Mountain Meadow, and then we have this cute stamp set called Wild About You. And how cute are those critters? I have so many squirrels and baby squirrels in my yard right now. It's fun to watch with bunnies. I get bunnies all year round, so I love it. And then I really love this stamp set. Look at the scenery, and I love the backpack, and I love that you get a boy and a girl here, and the big bear, and trees, and just everything to create a wonderful scene. And I just love the stamp sets and the paper and the ephemera. It's so good. And I'm not a person who camps out, but I really love to craft with tents and I love all that. So I wish I could be outdoors and camp, but the bugs and just I get bit easily, so I'm no fun. And so let's get started with some of the ephemera so I could show you how cute and pretty all of these pieces are. You get some bunnies, a mouse, you get a chair, this cute fox, I'm going to use him. You get a squirrel and this pretty bird. I love it. You have a campfire, some jam, and so many wonderful. I love that one. I'm going to use that one too. You get butterflies. I love the pretty butterflies. That sleeping raccoon. I love that one with the drink. And just really cute. I love that owl. And so we are going to make some fun cards today. And cards, plural, yes. We're going to make more than one card. And it's just deciding which ephemera we are going to use. And so I'm just putting some aside. I love you get so many. Isn't it great? How cute is that foxy? Just makes me smile. So I love this. So I hope you can try out the box of the month. All the subscriptions are so wonderful. But this box of the month, I love it because you get 2 big stamp sets and lots of ephemera, 2 different packs. You get a variety of the A2 card fronts. You just get so much products, and so I love the box of the month. I love the paper pad club too, and the stamp of the month. Those are also great. The junior box is wonderful as well. So check out the subscriptions, and you do save when you get them. So it's awesome. So this is the Woodland Summer. So I'm going to go through the paper and then we are going to choose. These are all so pretty. It's so hard to use the paper. How fun is that one? I would just put a deer in that one or a bear. And I love, look at this. You get 2 different browns. So that's that dark brown to the left I just put down. I love that red gingham. I love those big chunky squares. And then you have the mushrooms. I am just loving this paper pack. Here's the lighter brown. So I love that you get a darker brown and a lighter brown in this pack. And it's great for masculine cards too. And there's camping in this set, so great. And so I'm going to use this big chunky red gingham. I love it so much, but we're going to do a one sheet wonder. And so I seen a tutorial and I will try and link it below for you. And she cut this strip to 1.5, And then she marked all the ends, and then she cut all the pieces diagonally. So that's what we're going to do. So that way we use this whole sheet of paper and we will make 4 cards. So I love this idea, and it's a great way to use your paper so there is no scraps. So she lined it up, and I'm just trying to get where my dots are, and to make them dark enough so that I could see them. And then she held on to her paper. She didn't want to move it. So I'm trying to do the same technique, and then try and trim where the other 2 dots are. And since it's double-sided, I love that you can use both sides. So we're making 4 cards, but we're going to use 2 patterns for each card. 2 different patterns. Well, I mean like 2 the same, but 4 cards. So here's what it's going to look like. So the pieces are pretty much the same size, and you can just, so I'm putting them together so you can see. So they kind of look like that, and so you can put them however you want. But I love that it's one 6x6 sheet. And you get a lot of paper. You get a lot of 6x6s in this paper pack. So how fun is that? So that's what I'm going to do for my E2 cards today. And just a fun, and just picking out some ephemera to put on each card. So that's a really, really fun. And I love that it didn't take too long to do this. It was pretty easy. And so I hope you'll give it a try. Or maybe you've tried it before. But I'm going to do this more often because I love it. And the first time I didn't cut right, like the tutorial, but I still love all the 4 pieces that I got. So I'm going to, I moved my camera so you could kind of see a little better. And so I love that you can just take a 6x6 and just cut it and end up with 4 pieces, and so you have enough for your 4 cards. And then you can hoard all your other papers. No, use your other papers and make more cards. And so how cute. I love that fox, and I just wanted to use critters on all these cards here, and I love those critters as well. And I'm going to use sentiments from these from this stamp set that's called Wild About You. And I love that you get your berry special, Wild About You. You get Brighter Days Ahead, Very Sweet Wishes. So I'm going to put one card together here, and I'm going to stamp my sentiments on red cardstock. I thought that would be fun to heat emboss with some white embossing powder. Something different. And I'm going to line them up so that I could use Teresa's one and done sentiment die, and just cut them out individually, but they'll still be fishtail banner dies, or die cuts, sentiment strips. And I'm going to just tuck in those blueberries, and I'm loving the red and blue theme. It makes me feel like it's patriotic, or and like it's summer. Such cool summer vibes here. And you get, and I like it for like 4th of July. I love berries for 4th of July, like make it red, white, and blue. So fun. So I love, I can't have raspberries or like boysenberries. I'm allergic, but I do love strawberries and blueberries and whipped cream. So good. And I love cake. So you could do white cake, whipped cream, and strawberries and blueberries. Ugh, that sounds so good. And so I'm just gluing all my little pieces here, or they're not little, but I love these shapes. Um, and just using my liquid glue today. I didn't feel like popping anything up, but it would look cute also popped up. And I love that little hedgie with the mushroom. It's so cute. And I dropped it, and I'm gonna add more glue just to be safe. And I love that he's reading. I think you get books ephemera too, so I love that as well. And I put that bird there, and here are my sentiments. So I'm just going to use that die, like I said, and just run them like that individually. Doesn't take time. It take four. I think I have four. Well, yeah, I have four. And so there they are. So I love that. And now I will just put my sentiments on the last cards here and put my last card together. And we are almost done. So maybe you love to camp, so this would be an awesome set for you. And like I said, I don't camp, but I still love all of these products, and I wish I could camp. So I envy you if you camp and hike. I would love to go for a hike. That's something I want to. I want to move somewhere where I can go hiking all the time, or that's one of my dreams. I want to take my binoculars and my backpack and camera and just go explore. That would be fun. So, never know, one day. So, adding that raccoon, and then I'm going to add a dragonfly. And these dragonflies are really pretty. So here are my cards, last sentiment, and then the last thing I'm going to do is just add some really pretty sparkling enamel dots. And I don't know where these are from, but I'll do my best and try and find out. But they are just really pretty, and you can't go wrong with any sets you get. So I highly recommend shopping for enamel dots as well. And they just add that special touch to your card. So here are my cards. So let me know which one is your favorite, the fox, the squirrel, the raccoon, or the hedgehog. So I will be back soon with another tutorial. Have a wonderful day.